हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम सृष्टि भाटिया फ्रॉम एसवी क्लासेस। और आज हम इंडियन जीके पढ़ेंगे। रीज़न बीइंग दैट we have been observing since so many days that we are facing some complications, some political issues with our neighboring countries, and whatever becomes part of the news becomes a part of the paper somehow। जो भी हम देखते हैं कि आसपास हमारे जो घटित हो रहा है कहीं ना कहीं वो हमारे पेपर का पार्ट जरूर बनता है। सो these are only trivial facts which may come in the examination. Again, I would like to remind you to please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you get continuous updates on the channel and you can score good numbers in the coming examination. So without wasting any more time, let's come to the very first slide. This is the common introductory slide that India shares its common border with Afghanistan and Pakistan in the northwest, China and Bhutan in the north, and Bangladesh in the east. In the south, Sri Lanka is separated from India by a strait known as Pak Strait. Now, the question can come a two-way round, like by which strait India is separated from Sri Lanka. So the answer is Pak Strait. Now, this was an introductory slide depicting the countries direction wise. So again, a question can come in many ways that like in which direction we find which neighboring country. Okay, so let's come to the next slide. Now this slide depicts the number of states with which we are sharing borders with our neighboring countries. The numbers are given on the left and the states are given on the right. So like the numbers are also important, plus name of the states are also important. So as we know that Pakistan is always in news, so it is always important for us to remember that which state of ours shares borders with Pakistan. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. Then Afghanistan we usually find less in news, but again it is easy to remember, only one state, that is J&K, Jammu and Kashmir. Now this is again important, that China is very much in news these days, and 5 state of ours shares borders with China. Now this is also important to know that we can get question two-way round. So the other one is like we will be asked question directly that which state which state shares borders with China, and the second one is that we will be given 4 options and one state will be the odd one, like Bihar is not in this category, for example, and Bihar may be given to us and we have to tick mark the odd one, that is the state which doesn't share the border with China. So क्वेश्चन 2 तरीके से आ सकता है, तो हमें भी हमेशा याद रखना है कि कौन सा स्टेट बॉर्डर शेयर करता है और कौन सा नहीं करता है. द नेक्स्ट वन इज नेपाल इज अगेन इन द न्यूज़ दीज डेज. सो 5 states shares borders with Nepal: Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Pashchim Bengal and Sikkim. So 5 states of ours shares borders with Nepal. Then Bhutan 4 and Bangladesh 5. That West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, with Bhutan, Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. So with this slide you can easily remember these small trivial facts. For further information, you can take the screenshot of the screen right now, which is depicted on your screen, and you may store it for future use also. Okay, now let's come to the next slide. Now we have been continuously observing that we have become very concerned about the nature, the endangered species and the biosphere reserve, because there is some or other speciality about the biosphere reserve. So it is very important for us to remember that which biosphere reserve lies in which state. For example, the Nilgiri, the most famous one, the states are Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. The next is Sundarbans, again very important, in West Bengal. Then Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserves in Great Nicobar. Then Simlipar Biosphere Reserve in Odisha. And Agastya Malai Biosphere Reserve in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The other ones are also important, like Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve in Uttarakhand and Norkek Biosphere Reserve in Meghalaya. So what happens is that these biosphere reserves should be on our tips, because in one or other segment we normally find these questions from biosphere reserves, and why this particular biosphere reserve is important. This will be also discussed in our next video. So next, let's come to the next video now. Now this is the highest peaks in our country, and with the height given in meters. So in the middle we have been given the height, on the right we have states, and these are the highest peak, and the height is given to us in the decreasing order. So we can always learn the highest peaks in our country. It is important for us to always remember the highest peaks with the particular states, because they also hold a lot of importance due to one or other geographical features. So if you want, you can take the screenshot of this screen which is right now presented to you, and we must remember the height of some most important highest peak like Mount K2. Now this is easy to remember, that Mount K2, which is the highest peak and lies in Pakistan occupied Kashmir, which is 8611. Then Kanchenjunga is second, and Nanda Devi 7817 height in meters. Now what you can do is, there are so many ways in which the question can be asked, like arrange the following in decreasing order of the height. So I have literally found this question in one of the papers in which the 4 options were given, like Mount K2, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi and Saltoro Kangdi, and we need to arrange them in decreasing order of their height. So again it becomes very important and for us to remember in this order only, so that whenever we find such questions in the paper we can easily recognize them and score better. Okay, with this slide we come to the end of our video. I would like to again remind you to like, share and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned to SV classes. Thank you.